Right, we'll clean the spring now. Scouring pad with some blue kero on it. Double the scouring pad over. Rub it backwards and forwards. The full length of the spring. Remove old grease and oil that's accumulated. Now, using a piece of cloth, we'll wipe the kero off. Now we'll remove the spring from the winder, put the winding arbor back in again. Right, we'll now grease our clean spring. Using some silicone grease, we wipe it around the inside of each of the loops of the spring, making sure that we get a liberal amount on. Any excess we'll wipe off when we're finished. That loop there. Around that one. Bit more on the outside loop. See, it's starting to get a cover there. Down around there. Now back to the spring winder. Put the spring on. Goes on that way. Right, we're ready to roll on the spring again. Wind it up so we can put the clamp on it. See how tight we're getting. The mainspring clamp. Right, now we reverse the flow on the spring. And the mainspring clamp will take up the tension. Excellent, there we go. Take that out. And there's our spring. You can see the excess grease on it, which we'll now wipe off. It's now ready to put back into the movement.